Naomi Home presents the Evangeline Traditional Christmas Tree Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This artificial Christmas tree comes as shown with pre-assembled lighting, an included star, and a spinning feature that is sure to elevate your holiday spirit. Just make sure to provide the tree with enough space for spinning and make sure that no cables are in the way. To commence, attach the 4 legs onto the base. Insert the bottom section of the tree onto the stand. Connect the bottom section plug into the base plug. Then insert the middle section of the tree onto the bottom section. Now insert the top section of the tree onto the middle section. Attach the included star onto the tree top. Connect the Christmas tree lights from the bottom section onto the middle section. Do the same for the middle and top section. Spread out each branch and tip as shown. Fluff up the tree and fill in any gaps or holes, and the tree will look more full. And there you have it. Your Evangeline Traditional Christmas Tree is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.